This is the common scenario of rural Japan in rainy seasons. The clouds come down in the land, meet with the mountain, and become the poetic scenario. If you really want to enjoy the life, meet every day, regularly with the nature. Whenever we enjoy the change of nature, we don't complain, and our life become beautiful by the unity of mind and body and nature. Please try to visit every day nature, and you will enjoy the paradise in this earthly world. This is the great scenario of rural Japan in the rainy season.